Hello everyone, it's Technoplanet with a new video. Today's video is about the 5 must-have apps you shouldn't miss out on. So the first two are the Google release apps, namely Allo and Duo, which were introduced in the Google I/O 2016. The Allo is not yet available publicly, but you can register for it. However, Duo has been released publicly and you can install it. It is a simple video calling app which is a competition to the Apple's FaceTime. So it has a feature called knock knock, in which if you call a person, then the person will get a video footage before even answering the call. This feature can be disabled as per the user's wish. It works with your phone number just as you register with WhatsApp. The video quality and audio quality and call reception are pretty good. There is also an option to limit data usage if you are working on the cellular data. So that's all about Duo. So the next app on our list is Audible. Audible is an app from the Amazon.com. It allows users to listen to books. Suppose you are tired of reading a book, then you can just listen to audio book while doing work. If you are an Amazon Prime user, then there is some good news for you. All the paid features of this app are free for Amazon Prime user for a trial period of 60 days. There are some interesting topics and channels which you can choose from. You can even follow channels to get notifications and download for offline reading. Coming to the next app called InShorts. Many times it happens that we don't have the time to read entire news articles and glancing through the headlines is not sufficient. InShorts is the best app for you. This gives news as a cards which contain news in 60 words. You can swipe through the cards to get news, and if you want to read the news in detail, then there is a link right below the news. This is a really good app to stay updated with the news articles whenever you don't have much time. There is an option to bookmark this article and you can check all your bookmarks in the bookmarks tab. This app covers most of the articles of the news and even you get notifications. There is also a night mode which you can enable through the settings, which is good. It is really useful if you have an OLED panel. So the next app is Pushbullet. Sometimes you find a good link while reading and want to view it on a big screen on your PC, but then you have to copy all the link. So the best way is pushing it. Yeah, that's what is called in the app Pushbullet. So you just copy this link, go to your Pushbullet app and just send it. You can even send some files or links, whatever you like, to all your devices on which you have logged in on Pushbullet. There is an option of mirroring of notifications, which is useful if your phone is on charging and you want to stay up to date with the notifications, as each notification will be available on your PC. The best thing about it is that from your PC you can directly reply to your notifications without even touching your phone. This is the free version of the app. However, in the Pushbullet Pro version, there is a useful feature called universal copy and paste. This works as suppose you copy a link on one device and you can simultaneously paste it on the other device. Along with that, you can subscribe to channels which support Pushbullet so that whatever the new RSS updates are there, they will be directly pushed to you and you don't need to check their webpage all over again. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the Technoplanet channel. Coming to the last app in this short video, it is Sync.me. You had noticed that in our apps, most of the photos are from the Google accounts of the other people, which are unclear and blurry. So SyncMe solves your problem. it connects to your Facebook account and matches your contact names with the Facebook friends and updates with the profile pictures. The profile picture updated also in HD quality, which makes it good when you get a call. You have to press sync and connect with your Facebook account and it will sync. It is a data consuming app, so even if you do it once a week, that's enough. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching and like, subscribe and share for more videos.